Hello, my name is Marcelo Beltrán, and I am representative of Argentina in the Croplands group of the Global Research Alliance. First of all, to highlight our activities and accomplishments since the last meeting, we received a PhD student from Zimbabwe. His name is Abel Zumba, and he worked with us from July to December in different mitigation strategies of nitrous oxide emission from fertilizers. We had a trial in the field where we studied different fertilizers or the emission of different use of different indicators of nitrification or different clays or different minerals that affect the emission of nitrogen to the atmosphere. We participate in different national and international meetings, webinars, farm days about sustainable practices that improve the carbon balance in the soils. We also generate publications called nitrous oxide emission from managed soils in Argentina, differences between the IPCC 2006 guidelines and the 2019 refinements that could help countries in order to improve their greenhouse gas national reports. Here we have the link where you can download the publication. And we also continue our participation in different international projects about mitigation and adaptation to climate change. For example, the Fontagro project, that is a Latin American project that where we study the different practices that could increase the carbon sequestration in the soils. We are participating in a call of the European Union called Circularity, where we are studying different integrative systems, like silvopastorage system or forestry systems. We are working with the SRIUC of Scotland, which they have a tool called Agrical, where we are using to measure the carbon footprint of the different production in the field, cropland productions. And we are working with the FAO, studying different sustainable practices that increase some indicator of health in soils. About our research and capability opportunities, we think that we need to study and research more in the intensification of the agricultural systems and the interaction with other productions like agroforestry and silvopastorage systems that increases more and more in our country. And we need to study more how we can add value to the sustainable production through the carbon market, so they can the farmers can have economic benefits to use the different sustainable management. And about capability opportunities, we can receive different students they can work with us in different projects, at this Fontagro project, where we can study these different carbon sequestration practices, and also in the circularity call, where we are studying this integrated system. And about some examples of how cropping system carbon neutrality is being advanced in our country, we have now some guides or protocols made by different organizations that can be used to measure the carbon footprint of crops as wheat, rice, and corn. And we also are working in some protocols to measure the carbon footprint in dairy and beef production. From INTA, we are also monitoring different sustainable practices that could increase the carbon sequestration. In our country, we have different sites where we are studying the carbon increment in soil and other indicators in different practices as cover crops, pasture improvements, intensification, and integrated systems. And we need to work more and more in know how the carbon market could be an opportunity as an economic benefit for farmers in order to help them in the adoption of different sustainable practices. Well, thank you very much, and I will be available during the meeting for any questions.